How to fix the Google Play services keeps stopping. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. One of the common issue on Android devices could be Google Play services keeps stopping. This service is quite crucial for keeping your apps updated and running smoothly. So if you are experiencing these problems, let's try some of the solution. First thing first, try restarting your device. While it might seem simple, but restarting your phone can often resolve minor software glitches. Just press hold the power button and select restart. If restarting does not work, let's move on to step 2. For this, go to settings and then on apps. From the search bar, type in the Google Play services. Once you reach to the page, you will see all about Google Play services. Scroll down until you find the option of App Details. Once you tap on App Details, you can go to the Google Play Store, from where if there is an update button available as shown on the screen, make sure to tap on it. It will just take few seconds in order to update the latest version. Likewise, another such troubleshooting step could be clearing the cache of your application. For this, go back to the previous page and then this time select on Storage and Cache. Once you go to Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache and you should be good to go. However, if the problem persists even after following all the steps, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the Google Play services freshly. For this, you just have to go to App Details, click on Uninstall, go back to Play Store again and reinstall it. So this is all for today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We will surely come with more such videos. Till then, keep watching.